Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces. Let's see what's coming up guys. We'll be picking few cards guys for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy Pisces. These are for your daily energy Pisces. I'll be picking two cards guys from this deck for your relationship and your career situation. This is for your career situation Pisces and this is for your relationship, and one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance deck. So this is the card. Let's leave it here. We will open these cards as we proceed guys Pisces. So for your daily reading, it's Ace of Swords, Nine of Cups in reverse and Two of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in our situation Pisces, there are some new beginnings in your career or in your personal life guys. Something that some start or something new phase, something that is bringing the truth in certain situation, or some change or shift you may see in your career or in your personal life, that is showing you what is the truth and what is the right choice in that particular situation guys. And in certain circumstances today, you may feel that people are not true to you. They don't have that, you cannot have that trust on them. Maybe someone is not trustworthy or reliable. So they are doing something that you feel is not good and they cannot be trusted. But certain people or certain circumstances are such that you have that happiness and things are just going in a perfect way. Maybe it may mean something in your career, things are going well, but in your personal life you feel that you cannot trust this person, or it may be vice versa guys, these energies. So someone maybe things are going well in your personal life and not so well in your career situation. So that is what I see with these cards guys for your daily energy. Someone is not to be trusted guys. That is what I feel with these cards Pisces. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. Temptation. So with this card in your situation today, maybe you are seeing your situation through your personal lens. You have certain attachments to the way you do your work, the particular way of doing things or the particular result. That may be the reason that you may see that things may not be going according to your expectation. So when you give up this attachment for the expected results, or the way this choice is proceeding, or the way people are working for you, when you give up that, you may see success guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you may be addicted to some behavior in your work. You may be doing certain things again and again. Maybe that may lead to some mistakes. So you have to be quite careful today. Something in excess, some excessive behavior in your career situation guys. So that may be the reason for certain troubles. That is what I see with this card here guys for your career situation. So what is the card for your relationship Pisces? Emperor. So with this card for your relationship, you may have that harmony and balance in your situation guys. So you may share that great understanding with this person, and you may feel secure and stable in this connection because this person is well settled. They may hold a good position in life. Their status and position may be good, and you may feel secure and stable with them. Maybe they are working in a bank, or they may have a government job, or they may be working in a school, something of that sort, guys. So this person is a very important person in their life. So they have they hold an important position in life. So you have that attraction towards that, the way they are. So you enjoy their company, and you may listen to their suggestions, or you may voluntarily take their suggestions. That is what I see with this card, guys, for your relationship. So you are having that deep bond with this person, or this may be their energy towards you, guys, Pisces. That is what I see with this card for your relationship. Let us see what is your angel guidance. What is the card? Let go. So this card just means that whatever is not working for us, we need to let go of that, guys. So maybe certain things, we believe that our house, cars, or whatever material possessions we have will give us that happiness and fulfillment. But we have to understand that these are not the reasons for happiness. So our attachment to these material things may even hold us back from realizing the true meaning of our lives, guys. So by sharing and giving these possessions to those who are in need may help us see that only when we help people, may not be even financially, guys, even a small gesture, a smile may help that person. So whenever we let go of these attachments on these possessions and go for that true emotional satisfaction that we feel when we are in that state of helping people, helping other people. So we have to realize that these things are just there to give that make our life better, but they are not our life, guys. So these possessions are not our life. So we have to give up that attachment we have, and we should be able to help people in whatever way possible in our life. So that is what this card calls for. So when we let go of that attachment and expectations in our life, things will go in a very positive way in our life, Pisces. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.